Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the Reminders to Move feature on FitBit. The Reminder to Move feature is to give you subtle reminders to keep moving throughout the day. I'll show you how to adjust these settings or turn this feature off completely. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching the FitBit app and making sure you are logged in to your account and your FitBit device is connected. Tap your profile image from the top left of the screen. Select your FitBit from the list of devices. Scroll down a little bit to the General section and then select Reminders to Move. During the time window selected, I'll get a reminder 10 minutes before the hour when I have moved less than 250 steps in that hour, and I'll only get these reminders between 9 and 6 each day. It's also set to happen every day of the week. You can customize these settings to your liking or simply switch them off with the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.